Framed by the lush nature of Costa Rica, this spectacular family residence offers a perfect fusion of modern architecture and traditional construction techniques and materials. The house, whose elegant black facade blends harmoniously with the natural surroundings, stands out as a cool and shaded refuge for its inhabitants. More than 300 trees were planted in the project to contribute to nature, allowing the property to blend into the vegetation and become a true sanctuary. The floors, made with mosaics and terrazos, provide an artistic touch and reflect the rich cultural heritage and traditions of the region. Inside, the warmth and cozy wooden decor, sourced from the forests of the Osa Peninsula, a material valued for its strength and durability, create a homely and relaxing atmosphere. The expansive panoramic windows allow for enjoyment of the natural surroundings and offer a peaceful refuge from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Additionally, the use of exposed concrete, a signature of the architect in most of their works, adds a modern and unique touch, and in this case, achieves a perfect balance with the wood of the house. The kitchen, bathroom, door, and closet furniture, crafted by local artisans, pay homage to local craftsmanship and talent. The property also boasts a thriving farm, including vegetable gardens, fruit trees, and farm animals, contributing to the feeling of harmony with the natural world. Here's a look at the plan. In summary, this impressive property is a testament to the passion and dedication of its creators, as well as their love for nature, making it a jewel amid the Costa Rican jungle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.